Just installed the DualLiner bed for my Ram 1500. This is the Lone Star 2023 edition. I think this is an excellent fit. There are some gaps over here in the rubber mat. I think that will even out after some time. And there was some gap on this side and on the other side as well, where I'm thinking of putting a double-sided tape just to make sure this fits. Otherwise the fit is great. I did use the option for putting the double-sided tape on the bottom of the tailgate, just using some weights to hold them until it solidifies. But yeah, overall great. DualLiner 2023 Ram 1500 Lone Star. Oh, by the way, there are these light cutouts that I opted for, even though my truck does not have the lights, but it's easy to install them once I need it, so I use the pre-cutout version. Thanks everyone.